function should do one thing and you misunderstood this rule.
Acha.
I hope you heard this rule that if a function is doing one thing, then make sure they do it well and they do it only. But many developers think that clean code does not exist and it is impossible to achieve in real projects. Why? Because real life has deadlines, pressure. That's why your function will grow. But here is the part nobody tells you. One thing does not mean one literal action. One thing actually means one level of abstraction per function. And that single idea ends year of confusion. Clean code is not about writing perfect code. It's about writing readable code, following consistent abstraction. And if you can't explain your own code after 1 year, that means abstraction is broken. So what is abstraction? It means don't mix big goals with tiny details.
Okay.
Let's understand this with an example. Tell me, what is this function doing? I hope you have guessed it. If not, then not a big problem. Now let's take another example and tell me what this function is doing. I hope now you can guess it. So same outcome, but very different mental load, right? This code is more readable. So what's the trick? First, try to break down your code into 3 zones and make sure a function must stay inside one zone only. Zone 1 tells you what is happening, not how. Zone 2 tells you how the intent is achieved, but still without technical noise. Zone 3 tells you the actual technical execution, means it describes you exactly how it is done. But what about the naming? Naming controls abstraction. Zone 1 names represent complete goal and avoid using technical words. Take these as examples. For zone 2 names, use general verbs that coordinate one responsibility and avoid using low-level verbs like get, set and pass. These are some examples. To name zone 3 functions, use one verb, one action. Avoid using multiple verbs because that sounds like zone 2, and technical verbs like get, set, fetch, parse, write, all are allowed. Take these as example. Now it's time for a test. Put the word to before your function name. If it reads like a story, then okay. If it does not, that means abstraction is broken, which is why I said